Private island, where the ocean kisses the edge of architecture, where every curve of the structure mimics the flow of the tides. The exterior melts into nature, with coral-inspired textures and reflective surfaces that shimmer under the golden afternoon sun. A masterpiece floating in seclusion, surrounded by crystal-clear waters and symphonies of waves, blending innovation with organic luxury. From a distance, it doesn't dominate the island, it becomes the island, an expression of fluid freedom and elite escapism. Now picture a city mansion that rises like a jewel in the skyline, sculpted with glass, steel, and brushed stone. Its presence is confident, bold, and unapologetically refined. Illuminated lines trace its frame as luxury cars line the entrance. The mansion reflects the pulse of urban sophistication: silent elevators, intelligent systems, panoramic windows catching the heartbeat of the city below. There's no noise here, only curated elegance. Power, precision, and poise embedded in every angle. This home isn't just built, it's engineered to command attention. On the island, you're embraced by open air and organic design, with architecture shaped to breathe. The boundaries between indoors and outdoors vanish. Palm silhouettes cast elegant shadows across sun-warmed stone. Lush greenery weaves through the structure, as though the earth is reclaiming its luxury. Curved pathways flow beside shallow reflecting pools with koi gliding silently. The walls aren't flat, they undulate, alive with embedded shells, hand-laid stones, and shimmering mosaic inlays that glow with natural light. The island mansion doesn't shout wealth, it whispers it, like a secret meant only for those invited. You feel detached from the world, yet more in tune with it than ever. Back in the city, sophistication takes a different form. Angles are sharp, deliberate. Materials speak of legacy: rare marble, carbon fiber, and one-of-a-kind alloys. Art is not just hung, it's installed, seamlessly integrated into the walls, the floor, the light itself. You walk through softly lit corridors where every surface reflects a taste refined through generations. Urban greenery coils in vertical gardens, while smart glass dims at the touch of your breath. It's a place where time slows, only to give you more control over it. From penthouse terraces that overlook the city's rhythm to spaces carved in silence beneath, this mansion is a testament to precision and presence. Step further into the island estate and you find nature elevated, architected waterfalls tumbling beside handcrafted staircases made of driftwood and gold-lined resin. The air is scented with sea breeze and blooming orchids, amplified by gently misting cooling systems built into the canopy. The entire estate adjusts with the sun, the wind, the tide. It's not just off-grid, it's off-world. Yet behind the organic elegance hides technology that's intuitive and silent: solar grids hidden in palm trunks, voice-controlled airflow panels disguised as coral textures. Every surface is tactile, every color alive. As you move, the house moves with you. Even time seems to slow in this sanctuary where luxury isn't defined by price, but by presence, privacy, and peace. In contrast, the city estate wraps you in layers of engineered comfort. Below the surface, entire systems hum with intelligence: AI-optimized climate, light, and mood systems adjusting to your emotion, detected from micro-expressions in voice tone. Beyond the towering walls are chambers of serenity, echo-free sound environments tuned to your playlist or silence. The glass responds to your gaze, opening to skyline views at a whisper. Hovering chandeliers respond to music, lighting the space like an instrument. The scent of modernity, clean, electric, powerful, mingles with aged leather and fresh eucalyptus. Nothing is out of place, yet nothing is sterile. This mansion thrives on perfection without pretense. As twilight settles over the island, the estate transforms, light woven into the architecture like fireflies dancing along the path. Sculptural flames rise beside pathways, mirrored in the infinity-edge lagoon that melts into the ocean horizon. Here, luxury isn't linear, it spirals. The residence fans outward like a shell opening to the sky, where every wing of the structure is connected not by hallways, but by experience. One passage leads over koi-filled ponds, another beneath a canopy of flowering vines and glass orbs filled with bioluminescent flora. This isn't a house, it's a journey. At the heart of the island compound, ocean breeze flows seamlessly through open walls of raw timber and hand-cut quartz. Beneath the overhang, lounges are sunken into marble, surrounded by floating fire features and soft, reef-inspired lighting. You're not entering rooms, you're entering moods. Water gently laps beside private lounges carved directly into the shoreline, while music from a hidden soundscape system blends with the distant call of tropical birds. Even the shadows are curated: cast from sculpted screens etched with traditional island patterns and shimmering mother of pearl. Every detail whispers intention.
The city mansion lives in a precisions. From roof to lounge, lined with heated stone to an observatory dome suspended above a garden. Every inch is calculated for maximum awe. Even the air is engineered. Macro purifiers infused with oxygen rich ions give you clarity with every breath. Lights don't turn on, they wake up, simulating sunrises or casting lunar hues across artisan flooring. At night, drone enabled light choreography paints the RTM with digital art, accent drift across hand scapulated walls. In this house, reality is what you program to be. But back on the island, nightfall brings its own kind of performance. The stars and closer they don't peak, they pour across the sky, framed by arching bamboo structure and curved roofs that seem to lean toward the heaven. A floating deck hover above the shallows, aglow with fiber optic veins resembling constellation. Just beyond a transparent bottom, infinity sparkles from beneath, filled with mineral-rich spring water and subtle light pulses that echo your heartbeat. You are not watching nature; you are part of its theater. Interior elements shift with the ocean rhythm, organic forms, drifted beam, volcanic stone seating, marine fuel texture, much seamlessly tech hidden behind living walls, and the wind moves through the mansion like it was invited, carrying the scent of sea salt, and there are no corridors, only flows, no corners, only curves. It's a place that speaks less to wealth and more to wisdom, where silence is asset and every sound is carefully crafted. Even isolation here feels like luxury reborn. And as the city glows into the night, the mansion becomes lighthouse of opulence, rooftop fire features ignite in a sequence, their flames programmed to dance with the wind intensity. The helped quietly illuminated blends into a sculptural garden of native bronze from the subtly rotate under the straight beneath the structure. A showroom itself hidden beneath panels where concept vehicle and art gate machines sit beneath vapor lightning. The space alive with rivers where power is not just displayed, it's honored. From the upper terrace, automated glass walls attract to reveal private lounge hovering over the skyline. Here, even the furniture is responsive, refining in form and temperature to your presence, everything breathed here, except the noise. The city mansion is not about escape, it's about embrace to a vision, velocity, legacy, a bold response to the question what if the world revolved around you? As dawn breaks, the island whispers once again. Mist rolls over glassy water, drifting past wooden platforms that stretch towards the sea like quiet thoughts. A lone cone glides across a shallow, guided by the soft hum of underwater lights that glow like veins beneath the surface. The home awakens not with sound but sensation, soft linen drapes moving with the breeze, warm stone underfoot, echoing through open air lounge curved into nature itself. It's and not architecture, it's atmosphere. Meanwhile, the city mansion greets the morning like a machine of light and steel. Automated blinds open with sunrise, revealing a glass curtain wall that blends the skyline into curves. At the end, I would like please subscribe my YouTube channel and never forget to push bell icon button because it's compulsory. With the help of that, my updated videos, my uploaded videos you can see easily. And must be comment which part do you like a lot and which type of deficiency do you feel I need to improve that? Can you tell me for my improving skills? Okay, thank you.